When buying furniture for a child's room, think of furniture that's going to last through the ages. Key pieces for a child's room that will last through the years are a bedside table, a set of drawers, and a really good rug. For a toddler's room, think about colour and storage for their toys. A large rug on the ground will give them a space to play, and a low set of drawers will give them access to their clothes. A single-size comforter in a punchy pattern is a great choice and will see them through to their tween years. For a tween's room, keep to a black and white theme, but switch out a bed and a larger rug to something a bit more mature. Add in a mirror and a taller set of drawers as they start to accumulate some stuff. The biggest change when making the transition into a teen's room is the bed. Choose a queen-size bed. This will last them through all of their teen years and can transition into a guest bedroom nicely. Swap out the bedding to fit the bed, but keep all the other furniture the same.